In this video, I'll show you how to block unwanted emails in Gmail. This is a very simple process, and it's incredibly useful for stopping spam from companies or individuals who keep cluttering your inbox. Once blocked, you won't receive any more messages from that sender again, helping you keep your email clean and organized. Let's get into it. Step 1. Open Gmail and find the sender. First, open Gmail on your computer or mobile device. Browse through your inbox and locate an email from the sender you want to block. It can be a promotional email, a newsletter, or any message you no longer wish to receive. Step 2. Two options for stopping emails. Depending on the type of email, you have two main options. Option A, unsubscribe for newsletters and marketing. If the email is from a legitimate mailing list or company, you'll often see an unsubscribed link next to the sender's name, or at the top of the email. Click unsubscribe. A prompt will appear asking you to confirm. Click unsubscribe again. This will remove you from their mailing list, and you should stop receiving future emails from them. For managing multiple subscriptions, you can also go to Manage Subscriptions in Gmail settings. Option B, block the sender for spam or unwanted individuals. If the email is from a specific person or a sender that doesn't offer an unsubscribe option, you can block them directly. Open the email from the sender you want to block. Click the three vertical dots, More Options, in the top right corner of the email. From the drop-down menu, select Block Sender Name. A confirmation message will appear. Click Block to confirm. What happens after blocking? Once you block a sender, any new messages from that email address will be automatically sent to your spam folder. Don't worry, you won't see them in your main inbox. Emails in the spam folder are automatically deleted after 30 days, or you can manually clear your spam folder anytime. And that's it. You've successfully blocked unwanted emails from cluttering your inbox. Conclusion: blocking unwanted senders is a simple but powerful way to take control of your Gmail. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick and helpful guides. Thanks for watching.